Valerie Carvajal, mom, represented by Maria Teresa Coronado. I see Miss Coronado there. Is your client there? There she is. I see her.
Be there.
She's in the car. Joey Garcia, father, represented by Maribel Roldan. Miss Roldan is there. Is your client here?
I saw him sign that a minute ago.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Oh, there he is.
Okay. And Porfirio Guerrero Jr., father, represented by Javier Solis. Mr. Solis here. Porfirio Guerrero.
He's not present, Your Honor. Apparently, he's incarcerated. I sent him a letter. I haven't heard from him in Bexar County.
Has he been adjudicated? He is AOP, or what does he have?
No, Your Honor. He was just alleged. The prior individual, Marcus Guerrero, was ruled out, and then this name was brought up.
Okay, guardian ad litem, Melissa Montes.
Present, Your Honor.
See you. Attorney ad litem, Melinda Garza. See you. She's right there.
Yes, Your Honor. Present.
Okay, is Casa on this case?
Yes, Your Honor. Justin Miller and my volunteer, Miss Kathy Sheldon.
Okay. Okay, now that we got everybody, Casa Department, Mom, please raise your right hands. And Garcia. Do you solemnly swear about to give today's the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so be God?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Let me put your hand down. Okay, let me.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Huh?
Excuse me, Your Honor. Good morning. I believe there's also an unknown father, Judge. According to my notes, I was appointed recently for unknown father. Sorry to interrupt.
Sorry, did I skip you and Mr. Galvan for unknown father? My apologies. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's start with my 9-year-old CG. Let me do the basics out of the way first. Medical wise, let's see, we have in May, there was no issues. Dental was in October. There are no concerns. Okay, goody. She's doing at least once a week with therapy with Spurlock. Yes. Okay.
Yes, that's correct. And then also, or we can.
Okay, there's okay, and there's 2 meds currently, is that correct?
It has been decreased down to 1.
Okay. Is it one of the ones that are here? Which one that starts with the R, or the one that starts with the C?
The one that starts with the C.
Perfect. Okay. Okay. And is she doing good on, are they doing good on meds?
Yes.
Okay. When did she get, when was her last this was when she had a medical review on it, or she went to the doctor?
Yes. A medical review every month, so it was done on 12/3.
Good. Okay, she's in 3rd grade, doing well with her classes, or she's in 4th grade?
In 3rd grade, passing all her classes.
All right. Goody. Do I have any issues with behavior? How are they dealing in the placement?
They have been doing well in the placement, and she did start behavior therapy on a weekly basis as well.
Okay. Casa?
Nothing to add, Your Honor, as of right now. Eventually I request a private conversation.
Okay. You want to do it now or when I'm finished with the kids part?
Whenever you want. It pertains to a few of the kids, so.
Okay, so let's do it all at once. Okay. Ad litems. Any questions as to my eldest?
No, Your Honor.
She's at a foster, right?
Yes.
Okay.
That's correct.
Near the area that everybody loves to go. That's CPS loves to use so much. Okay. Let's see my second CG, 8-year-old.
She just had a birthday, so she is 9 now.
Our age is wrong. That was you.
My 9-year-old had the last one of the single digits. Okay, let's see. Same thing. I have no issues or concerns with her medical wise, no issues or concerns with her dental wise. She's also doing at least once a week with Spurlock.
That's correct.
Okay. 3 medications. Is that still accurate?
There has been an update to the medication.
As in they were taken away or one was added? Dosages, what?
They were changed.
Completely?
Yes, she continues on the one with the J,
Okay.
but the other two have changed
Okay.
as of the most recent review on 11/22.
Okay. And she's getting how often change meds?
On a monthly basis, she has a review.
Okay. Second grade, she's doing good in school.
Yes, she is doing well.
All right. How is she at the placement?
At the placement, she has been reported to have an improvement in her behaviors.
Okay, good. Department?
And then as well, she has begun behavior therapy on a weekly basis.
So anything else, department, that you want to add for Ascasa?
I think Casa, Your Honor, because that was my worker.
Oh, sorry.
Not at the moment, no. She's doing well in school.
Okay. Yippee. Okay. I missed one.
Yeah, one more.
I have one more. Okay. That's my A, right? That's my boy?
There's one more girl.
Oh,
There's one more CG.
is that CSG? My God. This is the problem when you have them all use the same one. What's the middle name?
It's the youngest CG. Right, Maria?
Well, they're the same age.
Oh,
Yeah,
Oh,
because at the
it's-
same time, there's two. Yeah.
The other twins.
Okay. The last one. Okay, let's see. Medical wise, no issues. Dental wise, there was another appointment at the Rodeo Dental. Everything come out okay?
Yes, everything, all her medicals and dentals are up to date.
Perfect. She's doing therapy with Lindgren and Gutierrez.
Yes.
Okay.
With whom?
Lindgren.
And Julia Gutierrez?
Yeah, Lindgren and Gutierrez. Medication 1, 2, 3, 4. She was on 4 at the time of the report.
Yes, she had her most recent evaluation on 12/3, and all the medications have stayed the same.
He does it monthly also?
Yes, also monthly.
Okay. She's in second grade?
Yes.
All right. No issues at school?
No issues at school. She's reported to be passing her classes.
Perfect. Goody. Behavior wise, how is she doing in the placement?
She's reported to be doing well.
Casa?
Yes, Your Honor, she's doing well. She's adjusted well to the home.
Okay. Have items any question as to my last female?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, let's start with my only boy, 3-year-old. Let's see. Medical wise, up to date with all his stuff. No issues currently, correct?
That's correct.
Dental, no issues or concerns, correct?
Mom does not
That's
care.
correct.
He's doing play therapy
Yes,
with Gutierrez.
that's correct.
Okay. Still on the 2 medications that you listed in the report?
Yes, the last review was done on November the 6th.
Also do monthly. Is that correct?
Also do monthly, yes.
Okay. And in pre-K, how's he doing in school?
He is doing well in the pre-K 3 program.
Okay. Placement wise, how is the child doing in the placement?
He has been doing well and he's adjusted to the placement.
Gotcha.
Yes, Your Honor, the same. He's doing well.
Pretty good. Any questions as it pertains to boy?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Was that all the kids?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Valerie Carvajal. This is his client. Maria Teresa Coronado. Okay. Let's see. She did parenting classes on March 21st, random drug testing, September 19, UA negative. September 19, hair positive, marijuana. October 28th, UA negative. So hair was positive, UA was negative twice. What about November?
For November, she was tested on November the 26th, and it was a UA, and that one as well was negative.
Individual counseling, attended 3 sessions, attended 3 sessions. Where are we on the individual counseling?
I have from the notes from the previous worker, I just have the September and October, and I will have to follow up because I don't have the information for November.
Okay. This one was already set for trial.
Cortez.
So she was nowhere near to be discharged?
I would have to follow up with the therapist.
Okay. Substance abuse assessment. Attended her sessions. Did she get discharged from that?
She was re-referred due to the positive hair follicle testing.
Okay. So she was discharged and now re-referred. Correct? Or never discharged?
No, I believe she was discharged and then she was re-referred, and I think she only had 2 more, if I'm not mistaken, Your Honor, and she might have completed them from the last update from the worker.
Ms. Carvajal, do you know whether or not you got discharged?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I got discharged from the personal counselor Monday, and I finished the Zoom classes Tuesday. So I'm already done with that.
Okay. Let me do Joey Garcia. I see. Random drug testing, UA 1017, negative for all substances, drug test 11-7. What was the hair and follicle and UA on that one?
That one, as per the previous worker, she was pending the results as he is from a different area, so we have to request them through that area.
Okay. Did you do the parenting classes?
Yes, parenting classes were completed with Carla Espinosa.
What happened with the individual counseling?
The individual counseling as previous worker, he was attending and participating, and she was pending to receive the notes from that therapist.
Okay.
So I will follow up with it.
Has Carvajal Bob been doing her visitation?
She did have a visitation scheduled on Fridays from 3 to 5 with the 2 last children that we addressed, one of the CGs and the boy, and she has been attending those visits. She did have virtual visits with the 2 girls that are not in the area. However, with those virtual visits, the children have not wanted to attend.
Excuse me. We were on Jovi. Is this on Jovi or you went back to the mom?
Oh, I'm
Just
sorry.
for
I
visit
thought
with mom.
I went back with the mom because
Okay, that's what I
mom's
thought.
Visitation.
That's
So
okay.
And this also pertains to, I think, what Casa wants to address, Your Honor, in private.
Correct.
okay. Are we off of YouTube or we're not ever been on YouTube?
I want to say I saw that we were streaming.
It says
Yes,
recording.
it says recording.
We're
Okay.
streaming, Judge.
Okay, so get me off of YouTube, please. I do like the fact that she was trying before she went in. She was, except for the drugs being a little bit of an issue. But
She was, unfortunately, with her arrest, she was unable to complete anything else.
no, I understand. Okay, but we keep trucking along. We come back when on this one?
Your Honor, if I may,
Mhm.
there's nothing on the report about my client. I just want to make sure, since that my client is being addressed, Your Honor.
Did you visit with Ms. Roldan's client?
Which one is that one, Ms. Roldan? I'm sorry.
That's Mr. Abel
Espinosa.
Espinosa. It's
Yes.
the only one. But we need to go ahead and get the genetic testing so we can get it done. And on the report, it says that I am the attorney ad litem for the children, which I am not, and that Mr. Galvan is for the father, which he's not, and my client's name doesn't even appear here.
Here, okay, so Mr. Espinosa, where is he located currently?
He is currently at the Smith County unit
Okay,
in La Mesa, Texas. I did speak to him last Monday. He
Okay.
did verify his date of birth and his birthplace. So we went ahead and submitted that information so he could get tested.
okay, perfect.
Wonder-
Okay. That usually takes about 2 to 3 months, okay? And he's not required to do anything until, well, either way, but,
But the court had ordered it the last time we were in court, Your Honor.
okay.
That's
Okay,
okay.
It was ordered at the adversary and the orders have been signed.
right, but the problem is that OAG takes like 2 to 3 months to get it done, so.
Right.
Hopefully we'll get it done by the time we come back, which is when, Ms. Upset?
We'll be back on March 7th at 9.
March 7th at 9, okay.
One question, Your Honor. If they go ahead and test him before that and he is, I imagine that the grandmother is communicating with me because she's interested in the child.
Yes, and we'll definitely reach out to her. We'll
Yeah,
reach out to
well,
her
if that's
now,
going to be a
actually.
possibility, I suggest you reach out to her and tell her all of the needs that are going to be met, okay? So she
Yes.
understands. Okay,
Yes.
perfect, okay. Thank you all, we move on. Part-time call cause number 2024 CV5. Who's the caseworker and are any parents or caregivers are going to appear?
This Gomez or
The,
Jimenez?
is this Jimenez?
Yes. Who's a caregiver? Or
I'm
foster
not
parent?
sure. That case belongs to Supervisor Monica Palacios, and I believe the worker is Bowie or Davila. Davila.
The worker is Erica Davila.
Okay. Ms. Palacios, who's your caseworker?
It's
Judge,
Erica Davila.
to this case is Erica Davila.
Okay,
logging in.
okay, perfect.
They're foster parents today?
I don't believe we have foster parents. The children are at Sunny Glen, Judge.
Are they going to be joining us?
I want to say that they were going to join us. Miss Erica, can you help us answer that?
Yes, Your Honor, they will be joining us. They should be in the waiting room.
Under what name?
Sunny Glenn?
I have an Emily Rodriguez.
Emily Rodriguez, I don't know.
Wayne
Let me
Tech.
just-
I'll make my life easier. This is real quick. Tell
I
Sunny
thought-
to change their name to Sunny Glenn on the Zoom. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
perfect. Okay. And
I
what
thought
is
one of the children was going to be excused.
it? Okay,
Yes, the youngest, the 2-year-old. So it'll just be the 2 oldest appearing.
okay. I'll give them until I swear everybody in. Everyone raise your right hands. Miss Medina, Miss Mendez, Miss Jimenez, blah, blah. Do you solemnly swear to testify to today's the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So we got.
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Yeah, perfect. May put your hands down. Ms. Jimenez, Ms. Mendez, a reminder, U.S. parents have certain rights and duties. Those rights and duties may be modified, restricted, and terminated unless U.S. parents are willing and able to provide your children with a safe environment. Ms. Mendez, do you understand? Yes. Mr. Jimenez, do you understand? Yes, perfect. Okay, with that being said, I still don't see them, but I need to keep trucking along.
And Judge, we're missing Lilia.
Ms. Peña?
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
she's the gal.
Oh, some of me Lily. Oh, there she is.
Hmm.
Okay, hi, Lily. Okay, mom is Roldan. Roldan is here. Dad is Galvan. Galvan is here. Guardian line Lily Peña. Attorney ad litem Melinda Garza. There she is. Okay. And I've got that. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let me start with my 11-year-old. Currently, right now.
And Miss Davila, don't use the children's names, just the children's initials.
Okay. XAJ, 11-year-old. Let's see. Let me check out. Let me make sure the basics. He's health-wise, we're no concerns, and he's had his checkup, right? Yeah, 8-5, perfect. Dental,
Dental, additional work is pending.
Okay.
I know I know that they were working on getting that appointment done. And so that way that we can go ahead and proceed with the dental work that's pending.
Okay, you already got the approval of my ad items though, right?
Yes, I did.
Perfect. Okay, psychological, we're doing every 2 weeks, Mueller.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay,
That's
how's
for
that
therapy.
going? How's he going with therapy?
He's doing very well.
Okay,
There hasn't been any concerns at this time with therapy. He's adjusting. He's working on whatever ongoing issues he has as far as behavior. It's being addressed and he's learning new coping skills to help with whatever he struggles with.
okay, good. Okay, and then meds, he's still on the 2 or just for his allergies?
Just for allergies, yes, that's correct. Just medications for allergies.
Okay, okay. And how is he in placement?
He's doing well. There has been some minor behavioral issues. But I know that the placement is working with him and helping him along with the therapy to help with developing coping skills that are effective for him. I know that if anything, they do state that placement had stated that it was, I guess his behavioral issue started also or developed a little bit more whenever he started with the in-person visits. And I know that in speaking with a child, he states basically that it's due to him missing his parents.
If he wants to go home.
Yes.
Okay. Casa?
Yes, Your Honor, I don't have anything to add other than they do express extensively that they want to go back home.
My ad items, any questions so far?
No, Your
Questions,
Honor.
Your Honor.
It's correct. The children are missing home.
Okay. AAJ, my 6-year-old, let's see, we're doing medical wise, healthy, we're good. Dental wise, you got approval of my ad lines to do the rest of the dental work?
That's correct, Your Honor, for the 6-year-old, yes.
Okay, good. And then he's also doing every 2 weeks Mueller.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Therapy going well?
Therapy's going well, and he's also on the allergy medication as well.
That's the same. Okay. He is 5th grade, right? Or no?
The 6-year-old? No, he is in.
Why did you say 5th grade here? That's not, he's what, kindergarten, 1st grade?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes, I think I must have
First
gotten it
grade.
wrong. It's
Okay.
1st grade.
Okay. That's good. Yeah, unless he's a genius thing, let that go, man. Okay. Okay, but he's doing well in school. I have no issues in school, right?
No issues at school. If anything, I know that minor issues, if anything, and the counselor does sometimes tend to pull him out and talk to him. He's built a good relationship with the school counselor. So other than that, he's easily redirectable and he's doing well. Both of the oldest child and the second oldest got AB honor roll in school. So they're doing really good academically.
Very good. And in placement?
In placement, he's doing good. As well, he's had some minor issues, but he's easily redirected. And I know that like the oldest child, he has also expressed that he would like to go home.
Okay, there they are. Okay. Gus, anything to add?
No, Your Honor. She's talked about everything.
Ad items, any questions?
No questions, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
AAJ, my 2-year-old, let's see, medical wise, no concerns. Checkup was at 21. Dental. I have no issues with this one, right?
No, not for dental. No, Your Honor.
Okay. I'll see. He is doing services through Easterseal, speech, occupational therapy, and physical.
Yes, Your Honor. That's correct.
How's that been going?
I'm sorry?
How's that been going?
It's going very well. He's actually made a lot of progress. He's starting to walk. Well, he's walking already by holding on to certain things. He's, babbling. He's wanting to talk. He's made a lot of improvement as well.
Okay, medication wise, I have the two that are still there, that were in the report. They're still the ones he's taking?
I don't think so, Your Honor. There was a change. He's still taking the iron and he is on Histex and albuterol because the placement did take him to the doctor on December the 2nd. He was diagnosed with a cough, bronchiolitis, pharyngitis, and a respiratory minor illness.
Okay, but that's been taken care of?
Yes, that's been taken care of. He's still on medications right now.
Okay, he's not going to school?
No, he's not. He's not school aged.
Okay, Miss Miller, anything to add?
No, Your Honor.
Ad items, any questions?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, with that being said, let's go to Arethina Mendez. Individual counseling.
Yeah, on that one, if they can go ahead and go slow. I did receive through Miss Palacios a lot of the advisements, but I don't have the initial perm report.
Okay.
They had a trouble. They still have Embrodan 302 and it's creating, they have not been able to fix that.
I sent it.
They're working on it.
I sent it over to you this morning, ma'am.
Well, you know.
It was also sent in an email, I believe.
No.
Was it sent to Ms. Roldan an email?
Yes, I sent it out to all the attorneys and then I sent it out to her again this morning.
You sent it out to me?
I don't know.
Okay. Which email did you use, ma'am?
The assistant email that you have.
After I downloaded everything. Go ahead.
Okay. November 18th. Okay, so Arethina Ms. Mendez has been doing her individual counseling and family counseling.
Yes, she completed individual. She's working on family counseling right now.
Okay. With that being said, Castillo believes that there should be an active participation to reunify.
Yes. I asked him and he says that I asked him if he had any concerns if we were to reunify with the children with Miss Mendez, and he said no, not at this time. He said that he feels that a lot of the issues that she's had can be alleviated with the reunification. That's what he told me.
Miss Peña. Miss Peña, Casa, and Miss Garza, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Castillo feels that we should start trying to reunify. Do you agree?
Your Honor, as the children's attorney ad litem, they do want to go home. So that's my position. They want to go home.
Ms. Peña?
I agree, Your Honor.
Ms. Miller?
I agree as well, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, the department was going to be asking for a 180-day monitored return.
Ms. Mendez? Mendez? Woo. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, they're asking me to return the children to you and see how we do for 180 days. Who's mom's attorney?
I am, Your Honor. I'm asking for 90 at most, Your Honor. 180 days, a lot of things could go wrong, and then here we go again.
That is not a reason to be at 90. That should be a reason to be at
Your
180.
initial perm, we can place and continue. There's no need for the 180 monitor return. We're an initial perm.
Yeah, why
That's true.
they just come home already? Like why go through?
Ms. Mendez, we are an initial perm and they want to place the children with you. So that's a win-win, okay? The only thing is that, of course, if the children are placed with you, the department still has temporary managing conservatorship. So if they come by to see the children or anything, you must cooperate with them.
I haven't had no problems with her. You can ask her yourself.
No, okay.
No problem coming to the house. Or nothing. Like I go just like the other caseworker in the beginning. How we had an issue. I go, you're totally different than the other lady.
Yeah.
I go.
I understand. Let's not regress into the
Let's
other.
not go backwards. Okay, mom sent all her services and she's been cooperative, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. She has also been testing negative for the department, negative for all illegal substances. Everything is going well at this time with mom.
Maribel.
We'll talk later.
Yeah. Hold on. Miss Mendez, let me have you talk with her after court So I can already order, I'm gonna have the children placed with her, but we're gonna continue on trucking along. Now 180 days pass and everything's good, then we can just close out this case period. Okay, perfect, sounds great. So they'll be placed with you by when?
I can place them today, Your Honor, or I can place them on Monday, if anything.
Ms. Mendez,
Today's fine.
see if we can do it today, okay? Let's already start. It's already Christmas time. Okay, Ms. Mendez, Ms. Roldan, please remind her that we're going to keep trucking along with this case. And I put placement over there, which is taking a long leap on the initial perm. Yes?
Yes, Your Honor. I will go ahead and explain to her how well she's done and how generous is the court and the items are being to her and the children.
Okay, as far as I understand, Mr. Jimenez is also doing very well too.
He is, Your Honor. He is only pending to, and I know that I've been speaking with his counselor. He's about to be discharged. I'm just pending that discharge from individual counseling. But as far as, I'm sorry?
Okay.
Oh, but as far as everything else, he has completed everything else, Your Honor. He also completed his nail test, his hair follicle, that came back negative for all illegal substances. His random drug testing, he's been testing negative for the department, and I don't have any concerns with Mr. Jimenez at this time as well. He's been
Okay.
cooperating.
Now my next question is when Mr. Jimenez and Ms. Mendez are in the same area together with the kids, is there gonna be an issue with that?
No.
Your Honor, the
Okay.
visitation notes show that they've been doing visits together, and that they've all gone really, really, really well, Judge. And that the children obviously absolutely want to stay at home already.
Mr. Galvan, you make me feel like the Grinch. Okay, fine.
May I say something positive, Your Honor?
It's not do anything. Let's tell Mr. Galvan first before we say anything to me. Because
No, I wanted to say something positive to you.
okay.
I wanted to tell you, first off, I'm sorry that my kids went through all of this. I hated the fact that they've been gone for so long. But like I told Ms. Davila, this past that we've got to have them for ourselves, for the holidays. They're very structured now. That place has helped out a lot. I told the monitors too, the people there at Sunny Glen, like, they were here for the holidays, and I was even telling them you could stay up to 11. No, like, they're very structured now. So this was very positive, them being away. I'm really sorry they were gone for so long. And I just wanted to tell you also, thanks for giving me the chance. I told you it would come out clean, man. I want to be in their lives.
Mr. Jimenez, you and Ms. Mendez have done very well. The reason why you're getting the kids back returned is because you guys have done your part, and we all thank you. So
Thank you, Your Honor.
get through the holidays. Please don't do anything. It's gonna drive me crazy.
No,
Okay,
no, ma'am.
place with the
Yes, ma'am.
parents today. There'll be no restrictions as to them except for the following: no drinking, no drug use, no nothing, no fighting with each other.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. All of y'all.
You do. I'm assuming that's going to be that for now. Elsa, when do we come back on this one?
March 7 and 9, Judge.
Okay, March 7th at 9. Okay.
Commendation, keep the structure. Since
Yeah.
now
Oh,
they-
yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
I
make
tried
sure.
to break
Yeah.
it. I tried
If
to.
they're on a
Let's not
schedule,
go
if
back.
we can get some kind of schedule for the parents of when they sleep and stuff like that, that'd be great. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's keep it the same. Okay, thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Rocky.
Move on to Zayar Gonzalez.
Thank you too, ma'am. You have
Thank you, everyone.
Good luck.
Hello, happy holidays. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Coursing call customer 2023. No attorney. Why is on my screen no attorneys? There are no attorneys. What's going on? What's this?
I'm the attorney and guardian. That's it. Termination was done on the parents.
Good morning, Ms. Roldan. Did you receive the report that I sent you via email?
I received the CASA report and I received the permanency report. Yes, I did.
Perfect.
I should also have a volunteer in the waiting room. Ilse Bauman.
Do you know what she's under? 'Cause I don't see Dulce.
You don't see her? I'll try to message her, but if not, I mean, it's fine. I can continue.
Also, can you remove Miss Mendes, please?
We should also be having Mr. or Mrs. Martinez as kinship caregivers joining us.
Melinda Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I don't see Miss Dulce.
Make sure that their names are exactly how it's supposed to be on their Zoom. With that being said, please raise your right hands. Do you solemnly swear to testify to continue the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so be God?
Yes.
Yes, Judge.
May you put your hand down. Okay. Sayar Gonzalez. Okay, let me. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna start with my 7-year-old CAZ. We're gonna do the medical part first. Last medical 11/5, last vision 1/10/2024. I'm assuming the vision's gonna have we're having another check on her vision this year coming up or no?
Yes, Judge, she's going to be having an updated vision check. I know she recently got glasses replaced, but that was just replacement frames.
Okay. She is okay medical wise, dental wise, no issues. She's doing play therapy monthly with Hill.
It's now been moved up to twice monthly. I know this past month in November, Dr. Hill had a death in the family, so she wasn't able to see patients, but Miss Mariela Garza is covering her, and therapy started back this month.
Okay.
Is it gonna be once he comes back? Will it still be twice, or?
It should still be twice.
Okay. No medications. She's in 2nd grade, doing good in school.
She is doing well. We have requested an updated 504 ARD meeting. I know I included it in there. She's not doing as well as she could be with her accommodations due to the dyslexia diagnosis. So we're gonna see if maybe they can add in use of the dyslexia font, something a little bit more, some additional dyslexia friendly accommodations to her IEP.
Okay. And we already have a meeting date, or you're going to?
So we've already requested it. We're waiting for the school to get back to us and give us a date.
Okay, real quick. If the school doesn't get back to you, and I'll be kind, 30 days because it is a holiday, please tell me and I will make sure that they come into court and explain why, okay?
Definitely will do, Judge.
Okay, but they're usually pretty good. I've only had a couple of them. Though when you do mention that, they do it very quickly. Ad items, any questions so far?
No, Your Honor. I'm very happy.
Okay. MRG, my 4-year-old. Let me see. Casa, anything else to add as to my eldest?
No, Your Honor, she's doing very well.
I like it when she does well. Okay, medical wise, 11/5. Did the surgery happen or no?
No, Judge. I don't know if you want me to go over it while we're on YouTube or if you want me to discuss it. It's not medical, it's rather scheduling wise.
Okay. You just say scheduling wise. What's going on?
Okay. So the issue right now, I've been following up weekly with the doctor's office. They are waiting for the hospital to give them scheduling dates where they can use the facilities. So we've already approved the sedation. She's already been cleared for the procedure. We are literally just waiting for the doctor to be provided with a date to use the hospital facilities so that she can get clearance with her pediatrician. So she's ready to go. It's just the hospital's logistics, correct, Judge?
Okay. Okay.
But is that a surgeon who's going to be doing it, or is it a pediatrician?
So Dr. Cruz is an oral surgeon. So he specializes just in the mouth. And they gave 2 options. They can do it there in-house in their facility without any kind of sedation, or at the hospital setting with sedation. But because of her age, they're recommending with sedation. So that's why she's on the waiting list.
Okay. So Dr. Cruz is going to be doing the surgery once he has a date that the surgery suite is available to him.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Is she in any pain right now or discomfort?
She is in a bit of discomfort and pain because it's on her lower lip, so it rubs up against her teeth, and she does have a tendency to bite it. So caregivers are using Oragel just to help ease the discomfort.
Okay, hopefully we'll be able to get this issue done with before the holidays. Okay, she's also is she still doing monthly play therapy, or that's been also increased?
That's been switched up to twice monthly as well, and same situation with Dr. Hill. Due to that death in the family, Miss Mariela Garza is helping out.
She is no medications pre-K4. She's doing good in that?
Yes, she's doing very well. She's very happy because she doesn't usually get homework compared to her sister.
Yeah, that only lasts for so long. Let's see. And we're okay with placement?
Placement is doing well, Judge. They're already licensed to adopt. Subsidies have been negotiated. The reason for the delay in adoption is we were waiting on a corrected termination order. There was a typographical error with Marie's name. We're looking at doing adoptive placement towards the end of the month, so that way benefits don't cut off while we're waiting for adoption benefits to kick in on the 1st. The adoption attorney has also filed in Hidalgo County because they do reside in Hidalgo County. So we're waiting on Hidalgo to give us a date for the adoption consummation.
And out of curiosity, the corrected termination, that's already been signed?
Yes, Judge. We got it on November 25th back from Judge Cordova. We were waiting on his signature.
Okay. Okay, so we're good. Any questions, Ms. Rosa?
Who's the adoption attorney?
Ms. Marrero. Ana Marrero.
Okay. So they're gonna do it over there in Hidalgo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, Your Honor. Everything is going very well.
Good. I like it when things go well.
Don't we all?
Happy. Let's hope this adoption goes through. Make my life even more happier.
We'll be back March 7 at 9.
March 7th at 9. Let's hope by then you can say I need nothing to do nothing because they've been adopted, okay?
That's the goal. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you all. Appreciate it. We move on to Gomez.
Judge, can I have a 2-minute break?
Yes.
Elsa, I have no more hearings, but I am going to be on the adversary in case it's a removal. So
Okay, let me put you in the waiting room.
okay, thanks.
Any parent here?
No, Your Honor, I just see caregiver, Miss Nancy Cardenas.
Okay, no problem. Whoever's going to testify, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to testify to give today is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
Here, put your hand down. Okay, the only one I'm waiting on is Ms. Montes, right? Or no, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Yes, Judge. I text her. She'll be logging in.
Okay. You want me to take up another case? If you bring me in Melinda Garza and Joseph George, Javier.
She's on Gomez too, Judge. Gonzalez.
What about Davila? Nope, she's there.
She's on the adversaries also.
Yeah, she's there too.
Yes.
What about the Smith case? Is that gonna take long?
It usually does take long.
Well, bring me in my Smith case because that's the only way I can take forward right now. Oh, yeah.
No, it's Miss Garza. I don't know if she can take notes until she logs in.
Miss Garza, can you take notes for Miss Montes, please? I don't think she's there.
She's coming in.
All right, okay. I do not have any parents, right? That's what you guys said?
Correct.
Okay, so as to my child's MGG, Let's do the medical part first. Medical 11/23/2024. Okay, there's an issue with her drinking regular milk, a hearing test, but she was doing good. 9th-month-old checkup, doing good.
We have some medical information that we need to share with the court, Your Honor, if we can get off YouTube.
Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. What about, okay, dental wise, I'm good, right?
Yes.
Okay, obviously no psychological. Currently no meds in the report unless you're about to tell me differently when we get off. She is currently with kinship.
Yes, Your Honor.
She's doing okay in the placement.
Yes, she is doing very well in the placement. She's very bonded with her caregiver, and caregiver is
Okay.
very bonded with her.
Okay, obviously no school,
They
so
are
let me get
all
off
the
of YouTube
Who
to
has
see what's
availability?
going
More
on. Mom has
progress with her.
availability
But mom has availability.
when she can pencil it in.
Yes, correct. Because they are all the dates are kind of scattered all over the place.
Okay, substance abuse assessment, obviously she did it. Is she actively participating in her treatment?
And substance abuse, no, ma'am. I've set her up multiple times, and she has never initiated. Like they reach out to her, and she does not initiate it. She won't answer. She'll reschedule, and then she won't respond after that.
Has she been doing her visitations? Let me see. 9/19, no. 9/25, no. 9/26, no. 10/2, no. 10/3, no. Has she made any visitations since September?
Since our last court hearing, she's only done one visitation.
Okay. Child support, medical support. I never get paid. All right. So the department's plan?
Termination, Your Honor.
Ms. Montes?
Your Honor, I have not had contact with my client. I believe this is the first time that the state is announcing termination. They had been working with her.
Well, they've been working with her. Whether or not she's been working with them is a different story. She seems to want to have this type of effort. And I'm not seeing it. And this causes me concern because this child, well, all children deserves full effort, but this child needs double that. So if she's gonna want to show something, she better appear that day with some type of miracle. Which, by the way, she has another month. She can show me something. Currently, this is where I'm at in this situation. What about Mr. Gomez? Carlos Gomez? He's not adjudicated, right? But is he an alleged or presumed?
He's alleged.
He's alleged. Okay. Okay. No.
I think we need to name an unknown. I'm not sure if they've been served, Judge. It doesn't seem like Carlos Gomez and the unknown have been served. And we need an attorney for the unknown. Ms. Smith, have they been served?
I'm checking.
Do you want me to bring Ms. Garza for the unknown, Judge?
Sure. Ms. Smith, if they haven't been served, I'm assuming they will be by the time I come to court.
Yes, they will be.
Okay. Ms. Garza, you will be appointed as for the unknown father. Okay, we're set for trial on 110. Okay. Anything else? Nope. Okay. This case. Thank you. Gonzalez, court's gonna call number 2023.
And Elsa, this case is being handled by Pam Delgado.
Yes. Janet Jongatude is my worker.
Are the parents still attached on this case?
Yes, Your Honor,
Yes,
we
Your
have
Honor.
gone to terminate.
Okay. As to ARG. Let me go down here. November 14th. Let's see. We had a checkup. Everything's going well. Next step won't be until April 29th, right? We're meeting our milestones. Everything's going well. Yes? Anybody? Anybody?
Yes.
Is it Maribel? Is Ashley Renee Moreno here or doesn't show up?
She has not been here for the original of the case, Your Honor, but I'm here.
Juan Jose Gonzalez Jr., Melinda Garza represents here. George is unknown. Guardian ad litem Javier Solis. Right there. Attorney ad litem Melissa Montes. Right there. Okay. So I have no issues medical wise. I have no issues dental wise. We see no psychological, no medication. She's doing very well in the placement.
Yes, she is. She's doing really good in the placement.
This
I do
is-
have an update about her medical condition.
Okay, hold on, just real quick.
From
This
the
is
specialist.
kinship. Is this is related to the kinship caregivers? They're related to mom?
Mr. Galvan is I'm sorry, he's related to mom. Yes.
Right, the cousin,
attorney.
right? Okay. They're the ones that always sit and always have a real pretty. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now that we got the basics out of the way, she's always been very happy in her placement. Has that changed? Is she still happy, Debbie? Yes? No.
She's still a happy baby, yes.
Okay.
Toddler.
Happy baby. Okay, for a moment, you people were scaring me.
Is a
Okay.
caregiver joined? Was a caregiver going to join us?
They
She
usually
should be
do
on there.
join.
It's under Stephanie.
Okay, she's coming in.
Okay. So take us off YouTube
Yes.
so I can. You put your hand down. What are we doing on this adversary?
Your Honor, we have an agreement to the court.
You have an agreement?
Yes.
Okay, I'll do my fines, but what is to the agreement as it comes to services?
For
It's,
service-
it's gonna be agreed removal?
That's what they've told me.
Your Honor, I am not opposed to the proposal of the department, Judge. I can't agree to it since I haven't spoken with my client about it.
No, I understand.
But I'm not opposed.
Okay. So the list of services, what is it?
Psychosocial evaluation. Follow any and all recommended treatment. Individual counseling leading to family counseling. Parenting class, substance abuse assessment and recommended treatment. And drug test at least monthly. That's all for the services.
Did you say, what was the last one?
So that was all for the services. Random. There's a lot of background noise, Judge.
Yeah. Mr. Tavi, have you driving? Okay, have you driving? Have you on Zoom?
Oh, I'm sitting in the car because
Okay.
if I sit in the house, I won't get signal.
Okay, no problem. Okay, as long as you're not driving. Make sure. Your car crash in the middle of this. Okay, Ms. Montes, your client is in agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, he is in agreement, but there's a relative that I believe Mr. Garcia has already gone and done a home assessment on that he's wanting placement of the child there.
Okay. Placement of this child, the children are where? Because there's 4 of them.
Your Honor, right now they're in I believe they're in foster care in a shelter.
Okay, and this placement's willing to take all 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and who is Luis Garcia? Who is this person?
Yes, Miss Elisa Flores. She's related to the family through. She's the girlfriend of Miss Elena Botello. I'm sorry, the Miss Elena Botello's brother. That's a girlfriend to the brother.
It's a family friend, Judge.
Ah, the mom in the other case.
Yes.
Okay, so the 4 that I have in this case, that person's willing to take the 4.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
And the one in the other case as well.
Okay. And when you ran their background, is there CPS history or criminal history?
No.
And everybody they live with, you pass their background too?
Yes, actually, Miss Elisa Flores only resides. She resides on her own, only with her child.
Okay. And the home has been assessed and it's good?
Yes.
The one concern that we did have, Judge, on that one was the boyfriend. He does have some history and he is a frequent visitor. They claim that he doesn't live in the home, but they are in a relationship, and he's a father to the child that's living there in the home. So that's a concern that we had. His history. He does have both CPS and criminal.
That's a problem.
Yeah, but they're not together anymore.
Right, but he can't be in the household.
No. He moved. He already moved, and he got back with his ex, so he wouldn't be going back over there anymore.
Okay, find out if the woman understands that I can't have the child at the house, at the residence. Okay. Yes?
Yep.
Okay, so, make sure she understands that I can't have the child at that I can't have, her ex-boyfriend or current boyfriend, whatever he is, at that residence, okay? And I can't have them around the children. Now, whatever deal that she has with her other child, that's fine, and if she's comfortable, or when the children are doing their visitation, she goes with him off somewhere else, I don't got a problem with that, that's none of my business. But as to these children, they're going to be placed over there, that is my business. So, as long as we agree to those terms, I don't have a problem with placing there unless my ad items feel differently.
Your Honor, I'm a little confused. I understood the proposed placement was a Luis Garcia. So who exactly is the proposed placement?
Is Luis Garcia the CPS worker? Or is that another
Yeah,
Luis
he's
Garcia?
the investigator.
Oh.
Okay, so what is the name of the proposed placement?
Alyssa Flores.
Elisa?
Alyssa Flores.
And she is related to Mother Boteo in the other case?
It's a family friend.
Okay.
I thought you had said. I thought you had said Torres. Is it Torres or Flores?
Flores.
Flores.
How do you spell Elisa?
Alyssa.
K with a like K as in
A.
kitten?
A
Oh,
apple.
A, I'm sorry. ALYSSA?
Yes. Flores.
Flores.
And Judge, for the record, can we just get the name of the person that CPS has issue with boyfriend? That will get in orders.
What's the name? Anybody? What
Mr.
is
Garcia,
the
can you
name?
tell us the name of the boyfriend?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear the last question. I had a bad Wi-Fi here.
Okay, no problem.
What is the question?
What is
Sorry.
what's the name of the boyfriend that is the cause of concern, the one that has the history?
Yes, the boyfriend's name is Rolando Mendoza.
And Mr. Garcia, is that the brother to Miss Boteo?
Yes.
Okay.
Mr. George, do you have any issues right now?
No, Judge, not at the moment.
So any issues with the placement, as I've stated?
The placement was subject to making sure he's not there, is that correct?
Yes, correct. He's not allowed in the house. He's not allowed around near the children that are in my case. As to him visiting his own child, I have no concerns with that. I mean, it's none of my business. However, as long as they're not near my kids.
I'm okay
And
with the
there's
judge.
nobody else.
Given those conditions.
There's nobody else we need to be worried about that goes over there. I guess that's for Mr. Garcia.
Yes, apart from Mr. Mendoza, there's nobody else. There's no other frequent visitors that go to the home that we should be concerned about.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Anything else before I make my findings?
Your Honor, we didn't address visits for the parents.
Visits for the parents will be 4 hours weekly in the monitoring agency.
And child support and medical support of $5 each.
Yeah, I'm about to make all my findings after that. Okay, hold on. Back to my findings. Here we go. Court finds it was valid removal, fines, reasonable effort consistent with the circumstances providing for the safety of the child were made to prevent or eliminate the need for the removal of the child. Reasonable attempts have been made to enable the child's children to return home, but there's still substantial risk of a continued danger if the children are returned home. Department will name as a temporary magic conservator. Ruby Ann Torres, mom will be named, and Rudy Davila. Hold on. Ruby Torres will be named temporary possessory conservator of all the children on this case. Speaking of Mr. Davila, has he already been adjudicated on all the children on this case? Is he a presumed dad? Is he requesting genetic testing?
Yes, they're my children.
There are no court orders establishing him.
Okay, it's an AOP. Is he on the vitals?
Yes, he is.
Okay, he's on the vitals. Ms. Montes, does your client want me to adjudicate him right now or hold off till till status?
Your Honor, if we can hold off until the status.
That's fine. I'll still name him as a possessory conservator though, okay?
Yes.
Mr. Dudley will be named as a temporary possessory conservator of all the children. Child support and medical support for each parent, $5 each, starting February 1, 2025. Possession and access is 4 hours weekly. Over there at the monitoring agency, all home studies are ordered on this case. Anything else I need to order before I move on to my next Davila case? Okay. Cortez,
I don't think I'm on the other. I don't
Correct.
think I'm on the other case, Judge, and I think I'm done with my hearings before this court. So if
Okay.
I can be excused.
Yes,
Thank
have a
you.
good weekend. Thank you. Bye.
Did we get a date to come back?
I'm assuming it's gonna be the same date, but what date is it?
January 10 at 10.
January 10 at 10.
Your Honor, just for clarification, the placement with Ms. Flores, it's as approved by all items?
Yes, well, it's already been approved. She just has to say that she's going to keep the boyfriend away.
Okay.
Boyfriend away from the kids and the house. Those two things. If it's a no, then it's a no. Unless you can convince my add items otherwise. Or something else.
Thank you.
Personnel call, cause number 2024 CV child. Selena Boteo, mom, represented by Melinda Garza, who's on Zoom. Rudy Davila, father, who's also on Zoom, is represented by Melissa Montes. Guardian item again is Javier's release. Attorney on items Joseph George. Okay, once more, please raise your right hand, Mr. Davila. Do you solemnly swear to about to give today's the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so be God?
Yes.
Okay, a quick reminder, you as a parent, your certain rights and duties. Those rights and duties may be modified, restricted, and terminated unless you as a parent are willingly able to provide your children with a safe environment. Do you understand?
Yes.
Ms. Boteo, can you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear to about to give today's the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so be God? Yes? Okay, can you unmute yourself? Because I'm gonna need you to answer my next question. You as a parent, you have certain rights and duties. Those rights and duties may be modified, restricted, and terminated unless you as a parent are willing and able to provide your children with a safe environment. Do you understand that, ma'am? Yes. Okay. Can you unmute yourself, please? Ms. Leslie, can you hit the mute button for her?
You have to unmute it. Let me see.
Got it.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay. Is this also another agreement as to the removal, Ms. Smith?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm assuming Mr. Davila is going to be doing the same services he's doing in my other case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. What about Ms. Boteo?
The same services.
Okay. Ms. Garza, you represent mom, right?
Yes, Your Honor, I do. And I have explained that to her and she's in agreement.
Okay. The placement of the children, is it going to be, this child, is it going to be at the same place?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Ms. Boteo, you were not here in my last case, so let me, or were you here in my last case? Did you hear or no?
I kind of heard a little bit.
Okay, so pretty much I don't have a problem with the placement being there. However, the ex-boyfriend or boyfriend or whatever he is of the caregiver, potential caregiver, cannot be around the children or go to that residence, okay?
Okay. No, they're not together no more. He went back with his ex-wife.
Okay. Okay, with that being said, let me make my findings. Again, Ms. Montes, you want me to hold off on adjudication until status, correct?
Yes, Your Honor. I'll talk to my client about that.
Perfect. The court finds it was a valid removal, finds reasonable efforts consistent with the circumstances, providing for the safety of the child were made or prevent or eliminate the need of the removal of the children. Reasonable efforts have been made to enable the child to return home, but there's still substantial risk of the continued danger of the child's return home. The department will name as a temporary magic conservator. Ms. Boteo, Mr. Davila will be named as temporary possessory conservators. Possession and access is going to be 4 hours weekly. At the monitoring agency, child support, medical support, $5 a month. Will start February 1, 2025 for each parent. Home studies are ordered on this case. With that being said, as long as my ad items are comfortable, the parents may have via Zoom contact access to the children on the holidays, which is Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. You guys understand?
Yes.
Okay. The list of batteries of services that were previously, which is the regular standard of psychosocial individual therapy leading to family counseling, substance abuse assessment, and following all the recommended treatments, random drug testing, and also to sign off on medical and mental health releases. Okay, and parenting classes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else?
CASA will be taking both cases, Your Honor.
CASA will be on this case, please. Work with CASA, okay? She's the same as if you were talking to one of the other attorneys, okay? Thank you. Anything else? Anything else? Nope.
No, Your Honor. No.
With that being said, we move on to the Smith case, my last case. Thank you so much. No excuse. Okay, what's going on? What's going on? Did you speak with the kids?
Yes, I did.
Okay, is there any concerns that you have?
None at all, Judge. I spoke with the girls, each of them at their school. They are doing well. They're excelling in school. None of them had any complaints. They understand their issues with their father and his behavior in courtroom and all that, but they're basically saying they're doing well, Judge. So
Okay.
I believe that they are.
Okay. Ms. Smith, was there a drug test done or no at the end of this?
No.
Michelle done?
Maybe he did a hair follicle, no?
I believe he did do a hair follicle.
I'm sorry?
Okay.
Yeah, he did the hair follicle.
That
Ms.
was
Anderson?
positive?
Yes.
Judge, the hair follicle was back in October and he was positive for marijuana.
Okay. What are we doing this one, Ms. Smith?
Well, Your Honor, he has not done any services. He tested positive for marijuana. He has not done his drug testing. I believe we need to continue. The kids have not had counseling. He has not gone to counseling. There's been no family counseling.
But that when this thing all first started, I thought it was a thing that he was supposed to do anger management. That was the thing. And then
Yes.
it went in more stuff and more stuff. But he
Right, you're supposed to do
had
anger management
done
and
a
a drug
portion
test.
of it that he thought it was supposed to be finished. Then it was what was supposed to be an anger management, not an anger management. Okay. So currently right now the issue is the drug test, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Judge, if I may,
Uh-huh.
as the ad item for the children, Judge, in speaking with the girls, I know that Mr. Smith has not done his services and he's tested positive. The girls indicated they're fully aware of that. They know that he does the marijuana, but that he doesn't do it around them. He doesn't do it that often. But they're basically indicating that they are fine. There are no issues. They are not worried about anything. They're old enough to verbalize if anything were to occur. And they basically just want to be left alone.
They also have other family
Just
members, correct? They're close to?
Yes, they have grandparents that they visit with in Lyford, I believe, or Sebastian. They have other relatives in Dallas that they visit. And quite frankly, Judge, in my opinion, this case has been pending for almost a year now. We're going to be in the same position 6 months from now. So my recommendation to the court is to dismiss this case, allow this family to continue. If there is another issue that's more severe, it'll come back. The girls are verbal enough. And honestly, Judge, I mean, nothing's occurred in this past year more severe than what the initial intake was. So
Okay.
on behalf of the children, and they're requesting that this case be dismissed.
I'm inclined to agree. Okay. If he should get caught with any type of drug possession, well, then that's going to be a different story. Okay. And it's going to be another round of whatever, and it could be worse. Okay. But currently right now, the girls are much older. I mean, I don't got no one under 5. I don't have anybody under 8. Okay. And they're quite vocal. They also have other family members. They can make an outcry to you if anything's going on or what have you. So I'm inclined to dismiss the case today. And hopefully I never see Mr. Smith or his girls again. Yes, Ms. Smith? Yes, Mr. Smith? Good. Okay. With that being said, let's open the new year. Okay. Thank you. Bye, everybody.